Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create an Android app using IntelliJ. So if we open up IntelliJ and wait for that to appear, taking some time. Just run some updates on it. I've just put 5 on there, so I'm not sure whether it's actually worked, but we'll see. Okay, so here we have IntelliJ, and I'm going to show you how to create a Hello World project very simply. So we select create new project. Here we have the new project window. We select Android application module, click next. Here we have the application name, so we call it HW3 for Hello World 3. The package name we'll leave as it is. This is a bit like a back to front internet or web address. The reason for it is to create a unique name, so you would possibly have your brand name here where it says example and a unique name for the package name. Make sure Hello World is ticked. Activity name, my activity. You could call it anything, but we'll leave the default as it is. So here we have a summary, which is the project name, HW3, project location. This is my file path. Your file path will be different, but it will be similar here. We'll say HW3, probably Android. I'm sure that's how yours would be set up. The project SDK, we've got it on 4.2.2, which I think is Jelly Bean. Yeah, the new ones I haven't kicked in yet, so I'll have to check that out. But we've got a choice of these, so that's the ones that we've chosen. The target device is an emulator. I have set the emulator up before, but not for this this tutorial. Here you could have the emulator or the USB device. We'll leave it as the default. I would suggest you use a USB device when you're much more proficient with files. And here we have the IntelliJ interface. We've actually got our Hello World application. You can't actually see it, but it's here. This is HW3, the project name. Here are all the files. Res stands for resources. SRC stands for source. In res, you have a file called layout, a folder or directory called layout. And within that directory you have main.xml. Here it is. Hopefully it will show. Yep. And we're in design, let's call it text. So here's your XML that displays your Hello World app. This is not the emulator. This is part of the IntelliJ graphical interface to aid you with quick design. I'll show you on another tutorial how to set the emulator up. The source file is the Java here, and what happens here is this Java code calls a file called main. It actually calls a file in the directory layout main, and that is it here, layout main. This main does not say XML because it's the way that the files are managed, but in what it actually means is call layout main.xml. But so if we called this file main2, main2.xml, we would put here main2, and the code would know that it's the XML file that we're calling. So that's that. This is the Java, and this is the XML, and they simply talk to each other. So the Java calls the XML. If here we can see in this sort of graphical interface, Hello World My Activity, Hello World My Activity. There's lots of different ways of doing this. This is the simple way. For now, we'll just take out the My Activity, and you can see that My Activity is gone. And this is your Hello World application finished. I'll show you how to put in other tutorials. I'll show you how to do the emulator and other tasks, all based on the Hello World app. Thank you.